I think this is a really exciting time to be a scientist, particularly in Southeast Alaska. At UAS, we've been able to work on addressing really pressing and interesting questions about the effects of global pollution and climate change on our rapidly evolving landscapes. So as part of the EPSCoR Icefield to Estuary project, I'm working with Andrew Schroth at the University of Vermont to look specifically at iron as a really important nutrient not only to rivers, but in particular it's a limiting nutrient in the open ocean. We're looking at the effect of glaciers in delivering this iron to streams and rivers and out to the ocean compared to a non-glaciarized stream. And looking ahead with our changing climate, as our glaciers shrink more and more, we're going to be shifting not only the amount of iron export out of our watersheds here in Southeast Alaska, but also the form. So to do this work, my undergraduate research assistants and I come out in the field and we go to this glacier river, Herbert River, and to Peterson, the forested wetland stream, and we collect water samples and we focus in on storm events because that's when we suspect most of the iron is coming out of the watersheds. We collect the water samples using these specific bottles, and we prepare the samples in the lab through this filtration. We measure how much sediment is in the water and various other chemical constituents within the water samples, and then we send them out to my collaborator in Vermont who does the iron analyses together with his lab group, and we're doing a cross-EPSCoR collaboration comparing iron export in Vermont watersheds versus in Alaskan watersheds.